Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your first activity class of this session. Due to certain reason, we are already late. I hope you all know the reason that, and you all are aware about the present situations of our society and the dangerous community disease COVID-19. And be aware of this time. This is high time for you. Be aware, use sanitizer and use masks without any reason. Don't go outside and eat homemade food. And this is summer time. Drink sufficient water and eat some seasonal fruits. This is very good for you, and try to form few healthy habits. This is very essential for you. This is very helpful to increase your immunity power. And each and every day, either morning time or evening time, do some exercise, yoga. This is very good for you, and these habits help you to increase your immunity power. Okay, and today I will teach you and I will tell you few words about Rabindranath Tagore. And why I will tell you about Rabindranath Tagore, this because I will give you one project work about Rabindranath Tagore. You will make one project on Rabindranath Tagore. You will make one project. What type of project? You have to make one copy. If you are unable to make the copy, you can take 2-3 A4 size white color A4 size paper, white paper, no rule paper, white paper. You will take A4 size paper and you can staple it, and left side of the paper or copy you will draw. Suppose this is one copy, this side of the copy you will paste one picture of Rabindranath Tagore. If you are unable to draw, then you will paste at first you try to draw, try to sketch one picture. No need to give color, only pencil sketch. You try to draw one picture of Rabindranath Tagore. If you are unable to draw the picture of Rabindranath Tagore, then you can take one printout and you can paste left side you can paste it, and that on your paper, on your copy, or if you take paper you can paste on your paper also, no problem, but it should be left side of the copy. And from the right side you will give heading Rabindranath Tagore. Nicely you will give one heading Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, and you will write a few important informations or few words about Rabindranath Tagore. Your word limit is 500. I repeat, your word limit is 500. Okay, don't cross 500 words. I am giving you few information about Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a legendary Indian poet. Furthermore, he was also a great philosopher, patriot, painter, and humanist. People often made use the word Gurudev with regard to him. This exceptional personality was born on 7th May 1861 at Jorasanko. But he is an exceptional personality. His father's name Maharshi Debendranath Tagore and mother's name Sharoda Devi. His earlier education took place at home by the variety of teachers because he liked open air educations. He liked open air educations. He got knowledge of many subjects. His higher educations took place in England. Above all, Rabindranath Tagore written poems from a very young age. When he was 14 years old, Rabindranath Tagore began to write drama from 16 years of age. When he started to write drama when he was 16. At the age of 20, Rabindranath Tagore wrote original dramatic piece Valmiki Pratibha. Rabindranath Tagore wrote original dramatic piece Valmiki Pratibha when he was 20 years old. Rabindranath Tagore's all works based on feeling, human feeling, not based on action. Rabindranath Tagore's works, most of all works based on human feeling, not based on action. Keep it in your mind. In 1890 he wrote another drama. In 1890 he wrote another drama. Similarly, from the age of 16, Tagore began to write short stories. Similarly, at the age of 16, he began to write short stories. His first short story was Bhikarini. First short story of Rabindranath Tagore was Bhikarini. 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 He is the founder of Bengali language short story. Rabindranath certainly wrote numerous stories from 1891 to 1895. Also stories from this period from the collections of Galpaguchha. It is a big collection of 84 stories. In the book of Galpaguchha, you will get the short stories of Rabindranath Tagore. In Galpaguchha books, you will get 84 short stories, all stories are written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore's short stories mainly based on the human lives. And you can ask me that what type of people took place in his stories. the common people of her society, like farmer, carpenter, housewife, and fisherman. Based on this type of people and this type of people's life story took place in Rabindranath. In Rabindranath's writing, Tagore was certainly touched with the novel as well. He wrote 8 novels. Furthermore, again he wrote 4 novels. Rabindranath Tagore certainly touched with novel as well. He wrote 8 novels. Furthermore, he wrote 4 novels. The best collections of poetry of Rabindranath Tagore is Gitanjali. The best collections of poetry of Rabindranath Tagore is Gitanjali. Furthermore, his other important poetry works are Kalpana, Chitra, Sonar Tori, and Balaka. His great poetry work, best poetry work is Gitanjali. For this Gitanjali, he got Nobel Prize that time. After that, apart from this Gitanjali, his other poetry works are Sonatori, Chitra, Manasi, and Balaka. Tagore was certainly not short on songs. The man enjoys the reputation of writing a mighty 2230 songs, 2230 songs. I repeat, Tagore was certainly not short on songs. The man enjoys the reputation of writing a mighty 223 songs. The popular name is used is Rabindra Sangeet, which refers to Tagore songs. Rabindranath Tagore songs is popular to the people as a Rabindra Sangeet. His songs certainly reflect Indian culture. His famous song Amar Bangla is the national anthem of Bangladesh. Overall, he wrote national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. You know na that song? And he wrote the national anthem of Sri Lanka also. Now you think, only one person who has written the national anthem for 3 countries. Rabindranath Tagore also had excellent skill in drawing and painting. Probably Rabindranath Tagore was a great painter. Probably Rabindranath Tagore was red and green color blind. Which color blind? Red and green color blind. Due to this, his artwork contain strange color themes because he has color blindness about green color and red color. Rabindranath Tagore was active in politics. And not only Rabindranath Tagore, his father also. Debendranath Tagore also fought against the British army, British rules, British soldiers. He was in total support of Indian nationalism. He has total support. Furthermore, he was in opposition to British rule. His work contained his politics views. He also wrote number of patriotic songs. Tagore increased the motivation for Indian independence. He has good relation with Gandhiji and he had good relation with Gandhiji and Einstein also. He wrote some works for patriotism. There was a great love among the masses for such works. Even Mahatma Gandhi showed his favor for this work. Gandhiji also loves his works, Rabindranath Tagore's works, and Gandhiji was a big supporter of Rabindranath. I repeat, there was a great love among the masses for such works. Even Mahatma Gandhi showed his favor for these works. Rabindranath Tagore did not renounce of his knighthood. Rabindranath Tagore did not renunciation of his knighthood. Furthermore, he took this step to protest the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1990. He refused his knighthood. In consequence, we can tell Rabindranath was a patriotic Indian. He was certainly a man of many talents. His contribution to Indian literature, arts, music, and politics is brilliant. Understood? And he so many things and so many things left to tell about him. Next day again I will give you few information about Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, and today this much. Okay, students, and stay safe, stay at your home, and again I'm telling you from few healthy habits. Take homemade food without any reason. Don't go outside, and take protein based food. This is very good for your health, and this protein based food help you to increase your immunity power. Try to attend your online class very attentively. attend your online classes, and now you are staying at home but attached with your society people by heart, and you should maintain the social distance. Okay students, bye bye, take care of you.